Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to disconnect Monopoly Go from Facebook in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to unlink your account for privacy reasons, switch to a different login method, or simply take a break from the game. Don't worry, I've got you covered. The process is quick and straightforward, so let's get started. First of all, open Monopoly Go app on your phone and make sure you are logged in using Facebook. Next, tap on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings to access your account preferences. In the Settings menu, tap on Manage Account to view your connected apps and services. Look for blue disconnect button. You can also see the logo of the Facebook. Once you tap the button, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking, "Are you sure?" Simply tap disconnect, and just like that, your Monopoly Go account will no longer be linked to Facebook. And that's it. Now you know how to disconnect Monopoly Go from Facebook in just a few simple taps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Monopoly Go tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.